Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, these guys. See they get up. Morning, good morning. Good, you make some coffee. Okay. Morning, Mr. Charlie. Come here. Morning. Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Okay, this is a special job, and seems like it could be easy, but it's not going to be so easy. We're going to do, let me sit down here for a minute in the shop here. Okay, hope you're all doing well. So, this is a bathroom door. It's a 28-inch door, and it's right next to the shower, and there's like a tub or a hot tub, shower tub, and the door is right up against the shower. So what's happening is that the shower, the water is wicking up at the bottom of the door and wicking up into the door, and it's just MDF. The owner says it's cardboard. It's a hollow door, so it's wicking up the moisture, paint's falling off, whatever. And so he wants me to install a solid 28-inch door. Okay, so there's a couple of hurdles here that we have to go through. First, it's going to be a custom fit. Okay. Second, I asked him if he can order a 28-inch door with the pre-hung, which that means it has the frame. Okay, he could not do that. They don't have a solid 28-inch door at Home Depot or Lowe's, so it was really hard to locate one. Okay, if you know where there's a solid 28-inch bathroom door, let me know. Hit the comments. While I'm hitting the comments, hit that like button, subscribe if you want. And also, so he called a few places, and he one of the places told him that it would have to be ordered, made, and this bathroom door, their price was like $800. Okay, outrageous. Anyway, so obviously you can't just pick up a 28-inch solid door pre-hung at Home Depot. So he got the door, and it is a 30-inch door. Left-hand swing. No, it's right-hand swing. I'm sorry. Right-hand swing. And so that means 30-inch door. I'm going to have to cut the one side down like almost 2 inches. So I'm not sure how you call it, but I think the two sides of the door are called the rails, and the cross members are stiles. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the rails, let's just say the rails are not gonna be even. They don't want to buy an $800 door. They already purchased a door which was for a whole lot less, and I talked it over with them back and forth, and we're just gonna cut the door. We're gonna mortise the hinges, and we're gonna hope for the best, because they are not willing to spend $800 on a door. Okay. Also, on top of it, before we get into it, man, oh man, my first couple of hours of videoing was in time lapse. So you're gonna see a little bit of me explaining what's going on, and it just it's in time lapse. Who knew? I didn't know. Anyway, there's a clip on that. And but anyway, moving forward, so it looks like we're just gonna jump right into it. There's some time lapse. I slowed it down, so hopefully we can catch everything that I'm doing. And we're just gonna go over there. We're gonna cut this door down. We're gonna see how it goes, and hopefully make it look just good enough. Well, not good enough. We're gonna make it look great, and we're gonna install a solid wood 28-inch door in the bathroom, so they don't have any problem with the hollow doors rotting and wicking up water and whatnot. So let's go over there and see what we got going on. See you there. Traffic here today. Anyway, so everything's lined up perfectly there. The bottom. Now we match our hinges. So we're going from a hollow door to a solid. So why? That's the problem. I told him about that before. So, putting a solid door in. Show you a little trick so we can router these doors. I'll make a little door stand. Hopefully it'll work. Be able to put our door here, and then I'll be able to router the hinge mortise. Little stand. What I got here. Good. So before the hinges. I'm gonna give it a little bit, like a little 1/8, maybe less of a round over, just to take that sharp edge around the door frame. I mean the door itself. This is a Ryobi hinge mortar jig. But let me show you. This is the time that you have to get it right. Get your hinge in the right direction. So what I do, I just match it up, make sure that we're okay. Hinge is gonna go there. Looks pretty good. Match up our door so the hinges are in the right direction. This is the old door. That's the damage. But anyway, so basically our hinge are going in this direction. So everything matches up. Okay, so let me come over here in the shade for a minute. Give you a little tip. When you're figuring out, like, let's say I didn't use the door as a template. So basically, if you want to know if it's a right-hand door, I mean a left-hand door or a right-hand door, you put your back to the hinge. Okay, if it swings out this way, that's a right-hand door. So you got your back to the hinges. Your hinges are back here. Swings this way, it's a left-hand door. That's a good way of knowing what swing your door is. So put your back to the door jamb where the hinge, okay, where the hinge is located behind you. And if it swings to the right, it's a right-hand door. If it swings to the left, it's a left-hand door. So that's the easy way if you need to figure out what swing your door is. All right, let me cut out these hinge mortise, and I have a little Ryobi jig. It's plastic, but it should work. So let's get that done. This little router bit comes with the kit, so we gotta change our router. I don't trust plastic clamps, so I'm clamping it with regular clamps too, because it's a plastic and it kind of moves a little bit. So this is a one-shot deal. Let's see. Get my glasses.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live.
Let's see how we did. Perfect. And I have I also have a center bit somewhere around. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Let me cut the rest of these out, and then I'll show you how I get the holes for the screws started with a center bit.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I have a center bit with a drill in it, but this will work just as well. This a little center punch goes like that. So put it in here. We just center punch in there like so. And let's see if you see it. You see it? I'll show you. With my hammer. Works great. I'll show you. So here's your hinge. Let's go over here. Here's your hinge. Put it in there. I can't do it with the camera in my hand. Try it again. There you go. All your holes are centered. When you put your screws in, be all centered in. And that's how that goes. All right. Probably going to paint it. I think I might mount the door first. If everything looks well, I'll bring it back out. Because they want to make sure that I paint the bottom edge of that door, because they don't want the moisture wicking up into the door. So I might do a dry fit, bring it back out, and we'll paint it up. because it's a solid wood door, little bit of sanding, a little bit of primer would help, but that's a primer, one coat primer, very expensive paint, so she'll cover real good. But and I do four coats on it. I'll do one coat both sides, and then I'll do second coat, possibly second coat and a cleanup. So it's actually like a total, at least a total 4 coats of paint on there. If you were to do primer, that would be 6 coats. Coat of primer on both sides, that's 2, and 2 coats of paint on both sides, that would be 4 coats of paint minimum on a new door like that. But looking pretty good. I got a solid bathroom door now. Touch-ups, and let me show you real quick what it looks like. Hinges are cut in nice and tight. The hinges are done. See, you want that, and you don't want to make the mistake of cutting the hinge backwards, because then you have to reverse them, and then you're going to have some bad lines there. Handles in, let me show you. She's in. Solid wood door, and the problem was that because there's a shower here, water is splashed on the hollow doors, and it was soaking up the water. So all done. Anyway, beautiful home. I can't show you around, but take my word for it. This house is beautiful. Anyway, so I just got a couple more things. I got a little bit of caulking here, but it's hard to get the camera and caulk. It just won't make good video. Anyway, so that's all I got left on it. But door came out pretty good. Now they got a solid wood door, so they're happy with it. Okay, man, oh man, ladies and gentlemen, the door is installed. They're super happy with it. They wanted a solid door. So yeah, I was not 100% sure on taking that much off on one side, but it worked out really well. They painted good. Got to remember, sometimes when I go on a job, the customer will supply the materials on the job. I have to make it work. I have to help them save a little bit of money and do the best job that I can. So that's what happened with the door. It was a lot of going back and forth. There was places where they were, I don't know if they were overcharging them, but it was very expensive. So we worked what we have, and we made it work. So I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next job. And don't forget to have a blessed day.